He's the real deal, grasping life, kicking and fighting, living the way Mother Nature intended. Today, most of us are unable to function out of the confines of our comfy, air-conditioned homes. Pathetic. Is this really the fate Mother Nature intended for us? A normal life may be comfortable and clean, but does it really have what the beauty of nature can offer?
The wilderness is my home, sweetheart. I wasn't born on this earth just to stay alive. I was born to be alive.
Badger in the wild. Will you answer the call? Will you answer the call?
Hey bro, you want some microwavable dumplings? They're fresh.
Ice Bear putting finishing touches on your turtleneck.
Grizz? Grizz, is everything okay?
No. Everything is clear. Come on, you slowpokes. The picnic area is this way.
Grizz, remember, after this you said we could get some froyo.
Ice Bear needs more bug spray.
Aha! We made it!
Wait, what do you mean we made it? Where are all the picnic tables and benches?
I'm glad you asked, buddy, because surprise! We're not having a picnic, and we're completely lost.
Grizz, what the heck, man? I'm gonna starve.
Ice Bear comes prepared.
Ooh.
Nope, that's cheating. Away! No more processed snacks for us, gang. We'll be living off the land, just like Mother Nature intended.
Ice Bear will never share again, due to gravity.
Dude, whatever. I'll just use my phone and... Grizz, where's my phone?
Pan, did you just look around you? Nature provides everything we need. Like this twig. It has all the nutrients to help us survive. Delicious.
Come on, Grizz. This isn't funny. Let's just go back home.
Guys, trust me. This is where we're meant to be. Just breathe in that fresh mountain air, would you?